8th standard students, now 9.9, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. 9.9.1, multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Let us multiply one binomial 2a plus 3b by another binomial, say 3a plus 4b. We do this step by step as we did in earlier cases, following the distributive law of multiplication. See here, 3a plus 4b. So 3a into 2a plus 3b, middle sign is plus 4b. Then again we will write 2a plus 3b. Now 3a into 2a, 3 2s are 6, a square. 3a into 3b, 3 3s are 9, ab, plus 4 2s are 8, ba, plus 4 3s are 12, b square. Now we will arrange like terms. So 6a square already kept, 9ab, 8ab. So 17ab plus 12b square is the answer. Observe, every term in one binomial multiplies every term in the other binomial. Each and every term we are multiplying. When we carry out term by term multiplication, we expect 2 2s are 4. 4 terms to be present, but 2 of these are like terms which are combined, and hence we get 3 terms. In multiplication of polynomials with polynomials, we should always look for like terms, if any, and combine them. If addition is there, add. If subtraction is there, subtract. Example 8 and 9. You will do now 9.9.2, multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. In this multiplication, we shall have to multiply each of the 3 terms in the trinomial by each of the 2 terms in the binomial. We shall get in all 3 into 2 equal to 6 terms, which may reduce to 5 or less because of like terms. If the term by term multiplication results in like terms, consider binomial, trinomial. Now a into a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. Now a into a cube, plus a into 3a, 3a square, a into a square, plus 5a plus 7a square, plus 7 3s are 21a, plus 7 5s are 35. Now a cube, 3a square, like terms of 3a square is 7a square, 5a plus 21a, 35. So a cube is equal to 7 3 10a square, 21a plus 5a, 26a plus 35. Why are there only 4 terms in the final result? Because we added like terms. Now example 10, you will start. Let us start exercise 9.4. See here, 2x plus 5 in the bracket and 4x minus 3 in the bracket. So first we will write 2x, then whole bracket 4x minus 3. Here the middle sign is plus and 5, 4x minus 3. Now 2x into 4x, middle sign minus, 2x into 3. Plus 5 into 4x plus minus 5 into 3. Now 2x into 4x, 2 4s are 8, x into x square minus 2 3s are x, plus 5 4s are 20x, 5 3s are 15 with minus sign. Now at x square, one positive and one negative number, so definitely subtraction operation will be taken, and greater number sign is positive, so we will write here positive, and minus 6 plus 20, 14x minus 15. Now third sum I am solving for you, 2.5a minus 0.5m in the bracket and 2.5a plus 0.5m in the bracket. Now 2.5a and whole bracket we will write as it is, minus 0.5m and bracket we will write as it is. Now 2.5l into 2.5l plus 2.5l into 0.5m minus 0.5m into 2.5l minus plus minus 0.5 m into 0.5. 25 into 25, 625, and 1 digit before decimal here, 1 digit before decimal here. So total 2 digit. Before 2 digit, we will put decimal L into L, L square. 2.5L into 0.5 m into 25, 5s are 125, 1 digit before here, 1 digit before here. So total 2 digit before we will put decimal LM. Minus, minus, same 1.25 LM. Minus, minus, 5 5s are 25. 1 digit, total 2 digit. M square. So 6.25 L square and 1.25 LM, 1.25 LM plus minus. Same value we can cancel. That means subtraction. So answer will be 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. Now sixth one I am solving for you. 3 by 4 A square plus 3B square into 4 A square minus 2 upon 3 B square. 3 upon 4 A square plus 3B square, 4A square. Inside the bracket, first we will multiply by 4. So 4A square, middle sign is minus, 4 2s are, numerator by numerator. So 4 2s are 8 upon 3B square. Now binomial we will multiply by binomial. 3 by 4A square, bracket you will write as it is, middle sign is plus, 3B square, 4A square minus 8 upon 3B square, you will write as it is. Now 3 by 4 A square into 4A square minus 3 by 4 A square into 8 by 3 B square plus 3B square into 4A square minus 3B square into 8 upon 3 B square. Now you can see here 4 cancel by 4, 3, A into A square into A square, A to the power 4 minus minus 3 cancel by 3, 4 2s are 8, 2. First we will write numerical value A square B square plus 4 3s are 12 A square B square minus 3 cancel by 3, 8 B square into B square, B to the power 4. 1 is negative, 1 is positive, like terms, both are like terms. So negative operation will be taken and greater number is 12 and it is having positive sign. So we will write 3A to the power 4 plus 10A square B square minus 8B to the power 4. Rest of the sum you will solve. Third sub question of question number 2, A square plus B multiply binomial by binomial, A square plus B in the bracket and in the bracket A plus B square. Now A square whole bracket you will write as it is, middle sign is plus and B whole bracket you will write as it is. Now multiply A square into A, middle sign is plus, A square into B square plus B into A plus B into B square. Now A square into A, multiplication sign, laws of exponents, A square into A, that means A cube plus A square B square plus alphabetically BA we will not write, we will write AB plus B into B square B cube. Arrange in proper way, A cube plus B cube plus A square B square plus AB. Now I am solving for you fourth sub question of question number 2. P square minus Q square and 2P plus Q. Now again you will write as it is, P square whole bracket. Middle sign is negative, you will write here negative sign, Q square whole bracket you will write as it is. Now P square into 2P, middle sign is plus. P square into Q minus Q square into 2P minus plus minus Q square into Q. Now 2 as it is, P square into P cube plus P square into Q, P square Q minus 2 P alphabetically Q square minus Q square into Q. So arrange in proper way, 2P cube minus Q cube plus P square cube minus 2P Q square. Rest of the sum you will solve. Sub question first of third question, x square minus 5, x plus 5 plus 25. So x square, x plus 5, middle sign is minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. X square into x, middle sign is plus, x square into 5 minus 5 into x minus plus minus 5 into 5 plus 25. X square into x cube plus 5. Numerical value always we write first. So 5x square minus 5x, 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 plus 25. 25 minus 25, 0. So we can cancel. So answer will be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Now fourth, sub question fourth of question number third. In the bracket a plus b in the bracket c minus d plus in the bracket a minus b in the bracket c plus d plus 2 in the bracket ac plus bd. So same you will write first a whole bracket as it is, middle sign b whole bracket as it is, then middle sign plus a whole bracket you will write c plus d minus middle sign is minus b whole bracket you will write as it is plus 2 into ac, middle sign is plus 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 2 into bd. Now see here a into cac minus ad plus bc minus plus minus minus bd plus a into cac plus 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 ad minus b into c minus bc minus plus minus b into d bd plus 2ac plus 2bd. Now we will collect like terms. So like terms of AC is plus AC and plus 2AC. Here you can see. Minus AD. Like term of minus AD is plus AD. Like term of BC plus BC. So like term of plus BC is minus BC, you can see here. Like term of minus BD. So minus BD plus 2BD. Now AC, 2AC. So total here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4AC. You can see here 4AC I have written here. Now after that minus AD plus AD, same terms with opposite sign we can cancel. Same terms, opposite sign we can cancel. Now here minus, two negative numbers always we add plus, always we add with negative sign. So minus BD minus 2BD and plus 2BD. Now same terms with opposite sign we can cancel. So answer will be 4AC. Okay. Sub question 7th of question number 3rd, 1.5x minus 4y in the bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. So 1.5x whole bracket you will write as it is minus 4y whole bracket you will write as it is. Then out of the bracket minus 4.5x plus 12y. 1.5x into 1.5x plus 1.5x into 4y plus 1.5x into 3. Now see here before the bracket you can see negative sign. So inside the bracket we will change all the signs. Negative will become positive, positive will become negative. But here you can see all the terms are positive. So minus 4y into 1.5x. So minus 4y into 4y. Minus 4y into 3. And out of the bracket minus 4.5x plus 12y. So 1.5 into 1.5 that means 15 into 15 225 and 1 digit before here decimal, 1 digit before here decimal. So before 2 digit we will put decimal and x into x square. Now 15 4 is 60 and before 1 digit we will put decimal. So 6.0 xy plus 4.5 x minus 6.0 xy minus 4 4 is 16 y square minus 4 3 is 12 y minus 4.5 x plus 12 y. So you can see the terms. That is step 2.25 x square plus 6.0 xy plus 4.5 x minus 6.0 xy minus 16 y square minus 12 y minus 4.5 x plus 12 y. Okay. Now see here 2.25 x square you will write as it is. Now plus 6xy and like term of 6xy is
minus 6xy, and 4.5x, you can see here plus 4.5x minus 4.5x minus 16y square, so minus 12y plus 12y. Okay, so same terms, opposite sign, cancel. Same terms, opposite sign, cancel. Same terms, opposite sign, cancel. So 2.25x square minus 16y square will be the answer. Okay, now you will complete the 9.4 in your notebook and